Alright guys, you want to stick around to the end of this video because you'll see why I can't really recommend this saw. Shame, but let's get your opinion anyway. Make a comment in the comment section. Alright guys, hope you're all well. Today I'm going to be looking at this Makita XGT Circular Saw. This is out of the 40 volt max range. Model number is HS004G. Now I do believe I've done some video on this before. It could have been a short, I can't remember right now, but I've used this saw on a few occasions and I'm quite impressed by it. I'll be honest with you, all the 40 volt max range XGTs have been good. I can't complain about any of the tools I've had from the 40 volt range. So a couple of features on this saw. It has a cutting capacity of 62.5 millimeters. That's on a 90-degree angle. On a 45-degree angle it has a maximum cut of 44.5, and on a 48-degree angle you've got 42 millimeters. So it's quite a capable saw. Some more of its features: it has a soft start, which is quite handy if you're cutting into some rough timber, you don't want it jerking out your hand. It has a soft start feature which is going to sort of save that from happening. Also boasts of an electric brake, which I will show you a little bit later on in the video. They're again very good to have, and it is quite fast on this one. And I think the best of all, the feature of the fact that you can use this on a guide rail. Any guide rail, Makita, DeWalt, it don't really matter. You don't need any adapters, but you can rip out a 4x8 with a guide rail, do a nice straight cut. You ain't going to be using your expensive plunge saw that's, you know, expensive blades and so forth like that. This will rip through that 18mm plywood, no problem at all. You can see it is sticking a bit. To be fair, this is only scrap wood, chipboard that's been sitting outside, so it might have been a little bit damp, so let's keep drying. Definitely feels like it's struggling more than it should do. I mean, the wood doesn't look wet. I can't see it being too wet, but who knows. It's the same stuff, it's just got paint on one side. Definitely not having it. Right, now this is the fun part, using a straight edge. I'm using a proper Makita straight edge. I think this is like a 1.5 rail. This is when I had a problem. And if you can see that, it's actually catching on the rail. Not good. So there's that rail buggered. Did actually make a point of taking the battery out before I started looking at it properly. Should have done that right at the beginning. There you go. And the clearance on this seems to be bare minimum. You know, I understand that, you know, it's going to hit the rubber if it's not been cut, the rubber beforehand. But it just seems very tight, very tight. Here you'll see that I've forgot that I've taken the battery out. I wonder why it ain't going. So it seems to be fine when it's not actually cut anything, but as soon as you put it on some wood, I don't know if it's the wood binding. Yep, it's doing it again. It's cutting into rail. Very disappointed. You can actually see when I cut it into the wood, the rail's been cut at the same time. So that's that rail ruined. You know, have a look, see what you guys think. If you think I'm doing something wrong, I don't know. I seem to remember using this before and not having any issues, but it seems to be an issue now. As soon as it's actually cutting wood, it's a proper problem. So yeah, so that's a shame. If any of you guys think I'm doing something wrong, or you might know something different to what I know, please leave a comment and I'll look into it, because I do remember using it before and it was fine, but not now, so we'll see. Cheers guys.